Today we're going to show y'all about the cutter head and the cylinder, tell if your cylinders are bad or not. The first thing you would do if you want to know if your cylinders are bad,
Step 1, raise the cutter head off the ground. Once you have the cutter head raised, use a jack to hold the cutter head up. Next, disconnect one cylinder line and leave the cylinder housings open. I repeat, do not cap the cylinders. Slowly release the pressure on the jack to see if the head falls as the jack loses pressure. If the head falls while the jack is losing pressure, that indicates the opposite side cylinder needs to be replaced. If the cutter head does not fall, repeat the same steps to the other side. Although it's unusual, if the cutter head falls during both cylinder checks, is one more step that's in the process, which is the body valve. You cap the line to the body valve that feeds the cutter heads. If the cutter head stays raised, then the issue is on the body valve. Perform the test with the jack again.